Alright, so if your iPhone Air is not charging at all, or it just stops randomly, stuck at a certain percentage, charging painfully slow, well, this video will show you how to fix all the charging issues quickly and get your iPhone Air back on track. Alright guys, so if you stop charging while it's plugged in, it might happen when the device overheats. So just go ahead, unplug it, and just let it cool down for a while before charging it again. Also, sometimes it randomly stops charging when you use a third-party phone case or cover with it, because the charger doesn't stuck into the port very well in that case. So just take it off and charge it then. Now, if that's not your issue and it's not charging at all, and you have just plugged it in and out the charger back and forth, tried multiple times but it didn't work, first, just test it. If another device is available to you that's got Type-C port, you can just go ahead check the same tools with that device. If the other device is charging with the same tool, the Air is not, this might happen for a minor software glitch, so let's first restart your Air. Press and release the volume up and down button and press and hold, keep pressing on the power key until it shows Apple logo on the screen. So after the restart, just plug it into the charger once again and hopefully it'll charge now. Now, what if the test device was even not charging along with your iPhone Air? So in that case, there might be something wrong with the charger, the cable, or the brick, or both. So first, make sure you're using an MFI certified charging cable and brick, because some third-party charger might randomly malfunction anytime. Also, it's very important to make sure that the charging port is clean. So you can just grab a soft brush and clean this port like this properly. Make sure there isn't any dust or debris in there. And along with that, if you got a hand blower, perfect. You just use it to blow away the dirt from this port. Now while you're here, random charging stopping sometimes happen if there is dust or moisture in the charging pin. So along with that, don't forget to wipe the pins clean, preferably with a soft towel or better, a microfiber. Now, after everything is done, just go ahead, plug it into your Air, and your iPhone Air should charge without any problem now. Now, in case the charging stops randomly at a certain percentage, you're gonna just look out for a single settings. So let's open settings. From there, go to battery, scroll down in here and enter charging. So as you can see, if any charging limit is set in here that you don't know of, just toggle it towards 100% and then hit set limit to 100%. That's all. Now, if none of this helped you solve the charging issue, you can try some alternate charging methods. Like if you got another smartphone with enough juice to share, just charge your Air with that. Also, from a power bank, if you got one, you can just juice it up for now. Now, apart from that, if any wireless charger, including a MagSafe, if available to you, you can charge your Air with that as well. If there is no hardware issue, any of these methods we have shown you should fix your not charging problem. Thanks for watching.